Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a little get ready with me, kind of to show you my everyday makeup. Just a disclaimer, I'm not the best at makeup, so don't judge me please. But I'm just going to show you what I do every day. It's super simple, nothing too much. I never like to have too much makeup on me, so yeah, so I should just stop talking and get right to it. As soon as I wake up, I wash my face and obviously moisturize. And after I'm done with doing that, I start off with priming my face, and I use the Pore Professional by Benefit, and it's this one. After I prime my face, I go in with my foundation, and right now I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage in the color Driftwood. Foundation, I then start on my eyebrows, and today I'm going to be using this brow powder in the color Soft Brown. I usually use the Brow Wiz. No, it's not the Brow Wiz. What is it called? I can't think of it right now. Anyways, it's that little thing by Benefit, and it's super fast and convenient. Like when you're in a rush and trying just to do your makeup super quick, you just go like 1, 2, 3, super fast, and you're ready to go. Okay, so then I'm all done with my eyebrows. Next, I start on my eyeshadow, and to prime my eyes, I use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I just put this on my eyelids. After I do that, I start with my eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow, I've been using the same palette, that my friend, shout out to my best friend Jessica, she gave me for my birthday, and it's the Morphe Always Golden palette, I believe. And this is the palette. It's beautiful, and I'm gonna use the color Myself, and that's like just blend it all over my crease. And then once I have those colors, I go in with a flat brush, and then I get the color Sunrise, and then just put it all over my eyes. I then contour with this. You can contour with a bronzer and stuff. You don't really need like a contour palette specifically, but and for my blush, I've been using the Kylie Jenner pressed blush powder in color X-Rated, and this is how it looks. And then once I have my blush, I go in with my highlights, and I use the Anastasia Glow Kit, and it comes with all these. And then I usually use Hot Sand, it's this one. on my nose. And then I grab a small little brush and I put it in my Cupid's bow. And then I grab it a little bit and put it over my eyelashes. On top of on my eyebrow bone. And then I go with my eyelashes. And for mascara, I've been using the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. A lot of people don't like using waterproof mascara because it takes longer to take off. But I have to use waterproof mascara because if I don't, where's my eyelash curler? If I don't use waterproof, my eyelashes go super flat and straight, and that's a big no-no. So let me go and get my eyelash curler. I'll be right back. Okay, and then I just curl my eyelashes super quick. And then I go in with my mascara. I'm done. I usually put setting spray, which I don't have. Okay. And then for my lips, my favorite lipstick right now is this MAC lipstick called Bronx. This is a final look. Super natural, not too much makeup. Takes like 20 minutes. And this is how it looks. This is the look. Yep. Super natural, super fast, nothing too much. But that was it for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.